Ki artli ki seng bakan thup ya ka seng ki nos ka jela kumju na kalyang ka Nyautrap Territorial Organization hine ka sngi kila dawa na menteri banti benia halor ka jingiap COVID jongkawai na ki nos patre Haganish Das Hospital.
One is from the Meghalaya Government Nursing Service Association related to memorandum sent to me, addressed to me on the demise of one of our nurse staff there at Haganish Das Hospital. Another letter which is received from Nyautrap Integrated Territorial Organizations for inquiry into the pregnant staff nurse untimely death due to COVID-19. So I had responded immediately for both the letters, and I have asked for inquiry at the same time also the justice to be prevailed to the nurses and also to all the health workers, including the doctors, the staff nurses, or any health workers working in the hospital on duty. They should be, their life, their precious life has to be protected. So that one cannot be compromised. So anybody found guilty, it should be taken to task. Now I have already sent to the principal secretary, and immediately he will constitute the inquiry immediately without further delay, no delay in this matter, and ensure the justice to prevail in this issues.